Okay. Here's the situation. I realized that when I was priming the oil system, that I hadn't actually changed the oil and filter. I was all excited. Oh man, we're gonna start it. Oh, this is gonna be great. And then I realized that when I did start getting oil, it was this horrible black sludge started coming out. And the oil was like this. And what was starting to come out when I did remember that, hey, maybe you should change that, there was little chunks of looked like I don't know, it was just chunky and lumpy and stringy and gooey. And I went, oh man. So I spent the whole afternoon getting as much oil out of it as I could. Then I dumped I took some brake clean and I sprayed it into the pan and agitated it, heated it, sprayed more in, etc. Repeat, rinse and repeat. Oh, that's not good. That's so bad. Oh. And got most of what I think is the bad stuff out. Went through, finished priming. I think I've got 30 pounds of oil pressure. I've got a very lightweight oil in it, and put a new filter on it, and hopefully it'll start. There's no water in it, so if it does start, I'm not going to run it for very long. I just want the one little success of it's going to start. So that's why I got the fire extinguisher. So let's see what happens here. This could be bad. Kill switch on. I do have fuel pressure. Let's give it a little shot of fuel. Oh my goodness. It just tried to start. Oh, grinding gears. Give it a shot more fuel. What? It's trying. It's really trying. Oh man, my heart is beating fast. Let's see what we got. Holy crap. I got oil pressure. I know. Holy crap. It's idling. It sounds like garbage, but it's idling. Yes! Yes! Oh, it's probably destroying itself right now, but it's idling. Idling on its own now, and it's gonna die. I'm calling that a win. I'm calling that a win.
Stop!
Yeah!
Stop.
Holy cow.
It smells so good.
I know it smells good. That's unburned hydrocarbons, and it's great. It may be flattening a cam lobe, I don't know, but it came to life. What do you think?
Done.
Sick, right? Ooh, that's a big relief. Okay. I gotta stop there. How about that? And it idles at 600. It's amazing. Got a little lifter cap. I don't know if it's going to get better. It's got a really lightweight oil in it. don't know if you can hear that or not. But, woke up. Okay, so pretty gnarly lifter tap coming from the driver's side bank. Had a lifter that's bled down. I knew it might be a problem. I didn't want to put a bunch of preload in it, but you know what? If it's gonna flatten, it's gonna flatten the cam lobe, whether I do that or not. So I gave it a little bit more. Let's see what happens. Oh, stand by, I forgot. I disconnected the battery in the back. I'll be right back. And we're back. I got the battery back on. Let's see if that tick goes away or what the deal is. Shot of fuel. Oil pressure is better, 38. All right, let's jump out real quick. All right, that tick is gone. It's diminished. And picks up when you give it RPM. Still got 30 something pounds of oil pressure. Makes RPM, burning off a lot of oil. I'm shutting it off now. All right, I'm gonna check the oil, see how bad it looks, but I'm still taking the W for today. Yeah, buddy.